So I have a car that does not have a CarPlay and it is driving me batty. So I bought this portable smart screen and let's go ahead and unbox it. So it comes packaged pretty nicely. And here is our screen. Nice size screen. It also comes with the bracket. Correction. I thought this was a bracket at first, but this is actually a rear camera. I didn't even know it came with that. How awesome. Some other hardware. And this is for the cigarette lighter. And this looks like the dash mount. It's pretty simple. Has what looks like a sticker. You can just stick this to your dash and attach your CarPlay screen. Another type of cord and a user's manual.